Hi everyone, my name's Rebecca. For those of you that I haven't met, hi. I know we've had a lot of emails, but not a lot of face-to-face. So thank you for coming back again this year. We really appreciate it. So what I wanted to do just here quickly was just have a quick walkthrough on how Zoom works so that you can kind of work out what you're doing before you go ahead and have to jump into creating a lecture. It's been a very different year. So first up, what we have to do is just get you into the Zoom itself. That's through the university because it's the corporate site. Really easy, just go into this sign into button up here and then just all the way down on the left hand side and click on that little Zoom button. That will take you into this sign in page, and all you do up here is click on sign in and then just pop in your uni email and your password. The thing to note here is that it's not actually your, rgordon at westernsydney.edu.au, it's your actual staff number. So your 300 whatever at westernsydney.edu.au, and then have your password. So what we'll do is we'll actually set up one of these test meetings, or we'll actually call it, your meeting, so that you'll know what it is. So when you pop into your section here in Zoom, you'll actually see the meeting link here. Easiest way is to actually go here to the start button and just start it through. What you'll note is that when you get the email confirmation, it'll come through with this meeting ID and an email address and passwords and whatnot. That will allow you into the meeting, but it doesn't actually allow you to sit in the driver's seat and control it. So you're actually better to come in this way into the Zoom meeting. So just click up here on start. Sorry, I'm trying to get that right so you guys can see as well. It was the easiest way to do this on the phone so that you could see the controls and see what I was doing. So apologies, it's a bit clunky. We want to just go to allow and then just basically follow the prompts. The program's really good at actually guiding you through how to actually set it up, so it's very, very easy. You want to just join with your computer audio, or if you have speakers and a microphone, but I find the computer audio is actually quite good, so it can work. So hi, like I said, super clunky, but does the job, hey? So what I wanted to show you were basically these little guys down here. So it'll come up with just you in the meeting. That's fine, that's good, that's perfect. The chat works really well if you're in a group session. Share screen is this thing that we're going to really look at, and that's how we're going to get you to run through the lecture. What I'm also going to have is the record will happen for you automatically, so you don't even really need to think about it. And what you'll see when you pop in to, let me just get that up and running so I can show you what you're going to see. It'll start up here to tell you that it's recording. So when you first pop into the meeting, best thing to do there is just jump straight in, pause it up for a sec, get yourself ready, get a coffee if you need it, get yourself all sorted, and then when you're ready to go, you can just come up here and resume your recording so that you can get it done. And what I'll do is I'll cut that front section out so that it'll just look like it's completely streamlined. Now, what to do here is go to your share screen and then pick whichever of the documents that you have coming up for your presentation. So I usually just have them kind of minimized down in here, and then whatever you've got minimized will pop up here onto this screen here. So let's just select that little guy just as an example. So what this will see is the share screen. So that'll actually show you what's recording. You can keep your photo up in here if you wish. If you prefer not to and you just prefer the students to actually see the document, you can go up here to stop video, and that will actually just take you out of the picture. We know that we're screen sharing here. This will also tell you that we're paused. If you need to question that, you can go over here to more and it'll tell you to resume recording. So you'll know that you're definitely paused. What I'll get you to do at that point is, once you're happy with the screen being shared, just start on your resume recording. And what you'll notice up here is that this little cloud button will start to flicker red, so you know that you're recording. Go through your whole presentation, just talk away. If you need to stop for a second, you can pop back up here and just pause it for a sec, and then restart it again if you need to. When you're ready to stop, you can just go to stop recording and it will stop your recording for you. Here is where it'll actually tell you that you'll receive an email notification when the cloud recording is ready. Now, what will happen there is that I'll actually receive that email notification, and what it does is it basically gives me the file of the video recording, so this screen that students are seeing plus your voiceover. What I'll then do is I'll convert it and I'll actually upload it through Views into the video site that we've got there, Panapto, so that it is actually online for the students so that they can go through, review the lecture before they actually come along to the tutorial. So to get out of it, all you do is go up here to stop share and it'll bring you back to your normal page. Click on end and then just end the meeting for everybody. And then you're done, and that's it. So any questions, let us know, but I hope that helps, and it is very user-friendly, so feel free to muck around with it. It's so fine. If there's a couple of takes, that's so fine too. We'll just work with you. Thanks guys, bye.